Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I'm glad you came back. I'm back in the kitchen again today. Guess what? Now it's cookie time. I'm gonna bake some cookies that my husband has come to love this time of year. It's an oatmeal cookie. He likes an oatmeal raisin cookie either way, but this is an oatmeal cranberry white chocolate chip cookie recipe that I came up with years ago, and he has loved this recipe all of our married life. So I will put the description of that recipe down below, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get started by turning our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that I have my trusty apron on, I can get to work. Let's look at the ingredients. I'm going to make 2 batches of these cookies, so I have 2 sticks of butter. I always use salted butter because I like the flavor of it better. Some white baking chips, oatmeal. This pack of blueberries and cranberries, I wanted just cranberries, but my husband couldn't find any just cranberries, so he got the blueberries and cranberries. We'll see how that turns out. I think it would actually be good. Some flour, vanilla, brown sugar, baking soda, salt. I'm going to chop up some pecans and egg. And the things that I'll need to make it, I have my cutting board and my knives, of course, so I can cut up my nuts. And then I have my hand mixer because I didn't feel like pulling out that great big KitchenAid. So I'm just using the small hand mixer, and we're going to get busy. Okay, I've had to get a couple more utensils. I'm gonna move my cutting board out of the way. I can't stand a cluttered work area. I can't see what I'm doing if my work area is cluttered. Okay, so I've made 2 batches of cookies so that I could cook some and I could freeze some. If I freeze them, and when I do freeze cookies, I freeze them just like I'm going to bake them. So my frozen cookies will be in this form. Okay. Now at this point, I would put them in the freezer and let them freeze quickly, and then I would put each of these individuals in a bag, and that would be my frozen batch of cookies. So let's go to the oven. In the oven on the bottom shelf. Now that my cookies are in the oven, it'll take about 8 to 10 minutes for them to bake, depending on how thick they are. They actually were not that big, so probably about 8 minutes. My husband likes them crispy, so his will be in for 10 minutes. I like mine chewy. Nonetheless, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna wash my dishes. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna wash my dishes. Okay, our cookies are done. I had moved them up to the middle rack. Ooh, they look beautiful. Now I'm going to let them sit there for a minute, and then we'll take them off and put them on a cooling rack. They have had a chance to cool. I have one of my little friendly taste testers. Actually, I have 2 here. One is behind the camera, and this one just got back from being with her mom. I want you to taste the cookie. It's still a little bit warm.
Wow. Oh, good.
You like it? Okay. Ari, you want to taste it?
Yeah, after you.
Good. Nice and crispy. You see the white chocolate chip? I like it.
Okay, so I'm going to try one. It looks super good. Oh, good. Hot.
Okay, folks, I'm gonna go enjoy my cookies, enjoy my babies, and y'all have a good day. Be blessed. Bye.